In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create connectors in Canva. If you've ever built a flowchart, mapped a process, or simply wanted to show how ideas relate to each other, connectors are the cleanest way to draw those relationships without fuss. Start by opening Canva. You can use the website or the desktop app. Either one works the same for this. From the home screen, choose the type of project that matches what you're making. Presentation is great for slides and workshops. Social media fits posts and carousels. Video is perfect if you're building motion content. And whiteboard gives you a big, flexible space for brainstorming and planning. Pick whichever format suits your goal and size and let it load. Open your design so you're looking at the canvas. This can be a fresh design or something you've already been working on. If you're starting new, you can choose a blank layout or grab a template to speed things up. The key is to have your content or shapes in place so you can connect them visually with lines that stay attached as things move around. On the left-hand side, click Elements. This is the panel where Canva keeps all the building blocks, shapes, lines, graphics, and more. In the search bar at the top of Elements, type Connector and press Enter. You'll see results specifically made to join objects together. Unlike regular lines, connectors are designed to snap to shapes and adjust automatically if you rearrange your layout later. Choose a connector line style that fits the look you're going for. You'll find straight, curved, and elbow-style options, some with arrowheads for direction. Pick one that matches the tone of your design and the way your information flows. The style you choose now sets the basic behavior and appearance of the connector. Now drag the connector between two shapes in your design. Click to place it, then pull one end so it snaps to the edge of your first shape, and stretch the other end to your second shape. You'll notice the ends magnetically attach to the shapes, which keeps everything tidy. If the path needs a slight bend or reroute, grab the line and nudge it so it flows clearly around other elements. As you continue organizing your layout, the connector will stay linked to those shapes, helping your diagram remain readable and consistent. That's all you need to start using connectors in Canva. With your design open, elements searched, a style selected, and the line dragged between two shapes, you're set to build clean, professional diagrams in minutes.